Hey, my name is Jack. Today I will represent an amazing list of electronic products. This video about
Photo background support equipment.
If this video helped you to select a nice product, please put a like and subscribe to this amazing channel.
The eMart Photo Video Background Support System is very lightweight and durable. Extremely easy to assemble. Multiple functions including green screen and professional photography. Perfect for any occasion, including birthdays, parties, weddings, and baby showers. eMart, Ideas Illuminated.
Hi, I'm Casey with eMart. Welcome back to another episode of Instructional Series channel. It includes 2 backdrop support stands, 2 crossbars, 1 carrying bag, 2 clamps, 4 backdrop clips, and 2 sandbags, with the sand not included. This is a very quick and easy assembly, so let's go ahead, take a look, and get started. So let's get to the assembly. Let's start with our aluminum alloy stands. First, we'll find the lever right here, and we'll make sure that it's turned to the left. This will allow us to adjust it to whatever height we need. Pop open the 3 legs, and then apply just a little bit of pressure until you come to an even surface. Then we'll tighten the lever by turning it to the right. You'll keep on turning until it feels secure. This stand can go from 3 feet up to 5, with a maximum height of 8.5 feet. I'll go ahead and prepare the other stand for you. Again, I'm going to turn the knob to the left, extend the legs, apply a little bit of pressure until we have a nice flat surface, and then secure it by tightening the lever to the right. And we'll just secure that on the right. Next is our wing nuts. We'll go ahead and loosen these. Same thing as before. To loosen, just move it to a portion of the strip, and I'll secure that flatly down. Then you'll notice, however, you also have the option to extend it even longer or to draw it further in. So really Velcro, open the strap, apply it as tightly as possible in a clockwise motion around the stand. Thanks for choosing eMart. We'll see you next time.
Hey guys, I wanted to hop on here real quick and talk to you about this camera accessory kit that I just got. So this is going to be really cool because it's going to be a backdrop, but it's going to come with 2 tripods that make the backdrop. So you're actually going to have 2 tripods that you can put your cameras on, your video camera, your lights, all of that, which is really cool. So they're also going to come with your standard 1/4 inch screw up top here, which is going to make it very simple to attach your equipment onto it. So everything is going to come nice and neat in this carrying bag as well. So it's going to make transporting your photography equipment super easy. As this backdrop stand is a must-have accessory for most photography studios and some shooting locations. It's designed to work not only as photography backdrop stand, but also to hold decor like balloons, curtains, and bunting flags for parties, weddings, and other festivals. It's got a heavy-duty steel stand, and it's expandable, which is awesome too. The stand connects to a 4-section crossbar that can be set up between 5 to 10 feet. Make sure that you're gonna have these large holes. Make sure that those are on the end. Your wing nut is going to come off here, just like this, and then you'll put your crossbar on the top. So you've got this wider opening. That's why you'll have the wider opening on here. And then screw your top back on. And you'll do this with the other side as well. And then you're going to be able to adjust your stand here. So guys, you are going to be able to use these clips that are provided to hold your backdrop or whatever you're using in place too. here, guys, what is really nice about this is that everything is adjustable. So we're going to be able to put this together with just one person.